Welcome back, guys, to the channel. So today we got the Losi Baja Rey 2.0. We're gonna unbox it and do our first run. Here's the beautiful box it comes in. We got the yellow one. It also comes in blue. So it goes about 50 plus miles. All right, let's open the box. The box that fell, I'm pretty sure that's the remote. Then we got manual, a couple tools. And then we got a DX3 Spectrum remote. And here's a beautiful truck. Man, it looks good. I love it. I know some people were complaining about the stickers, so we're just gonna look around. I mean, it's not too bad. I know I've seen some people have it a lot worse, but the truck overall looks really good. Tires are nice. You got a light bar right here, one on top, rubber. You got two tires. I mean, I've been wanting this truck for a while, and just because it's so realistic, just this right here, this part, just this part right here, I love it. Then you got two dudes in the front. Flip it. So I'm guessing that's where the battery compartment is. Warning, hot. Shh, liars, it's not hot. So you got a pretty big battery tray. Connectors come out here. All right. You also got some lights in the back. So here's a little size comparison. So we got slash 110 scale. Here's the Baja Rey, and then X-Maxx. Yeah, if you go from bumper to bumper, it's definitely longer. But X-Maxx is just a little taller. Okay, I'm gonna go stand by so you guys can see how big they really are. I'm not the biggest guy, I'm only 5'4", but this is how big they are. I mean, this thing is pretty tall and heavy. And then the X-Maxx. X-Maxx is just, I think, wider and taller. But yeah, man, the Baja Rey is pretty big. And then Slash, man, Slash just looks like a little baby. Alright, we're gonna plug in 4S batteries, 2 4S batteries, and then we're gonna be running 8S. Alright, first run. Man, I just love this truck. I mean, it's a heavy truck, but it drives so nice. Yeah, I think X-Maxx and this one is probably one of my favorite trucks. Alright guys, so the battery just died. So I love this truck. It's a pretty cool truck. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.